Good day, ma'am. I'm Dan Albert Barrion, 38 years old from Iloilo, Philippines. Married, and I have only son. I am very interested about the opportunity to apply for gardener position. I've been passionate about gardening for 2 years. In my previous role, I've gained extensive experience in tropical plants maintenance, watering, trimmer, and landscape design.
How many helpers in your employer's house?
We have 2 helpers in my employer's house.
Do you like babies?
Yes, ma'am.
How about children?
I like to, ma'am, because we have children also.
What have been your specific duties as a gardener in the past?
Since I started gardener, I've been involved digging, planting, soil preparation, ensure the plant like spraying the pesticide.
What specific tools and equipment have you used to help you in your gardening work?
I use both manual and motorized like lawnmower, leaf blower, rake, and trimmers.
What is your message to your future employer?
I am a hardworking person, honest, fast learners. If you take me as a gardener, I'll do my best for your garden healthy. And I hope to see you soon. Thank you.